Welcome to Product Critique. If you're looking for the best black reusable cups for your next party or event, then you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Rolling Sands 16 ounces reusable plastic stadium cups. These cups are a must-have for any gathering, whether you're hosting a tailgate, birthday party, or just enjoying a barbecue with friends. These cups come in a bulk pack of 50, making them perfect for large gatherings or even just keeping a stockpile of reusable cups on hand for everyday use. At 16 ounces, they're the ideal size for any cold beverage, from soda to beer or iced tea. The sleek black color gives them a sophisticated yet casual look, making them versatile enough to fit into any party theme or event. What's really great about the Rolling Sands cups is that they are made from high-quality, food-grade polypropylene plastic. They're BPA-free, which means you can feel confident that you're drinking from safe, non-toxic cups. Plus, these cups are made right here in the USA, so you're supporting local manufacturing with every purchase. One of the standout features is how easy they're to clean. These cups are top-shelf dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about spending too much time scrubbing after the party is over. They're also stackable, which is perfect for storage, especially if you have limited space. No more worrying about how to store bulky cups. Just stack them up and save space. Another thing I love about these cups is that they come logo-free. This makes them perfect for customization. Whether you're designing cups for a special event, a sports team, or a business promotion, you can easily add your own design or logo to these cups. The simple, blank surface provides a great canvas for creativity. When it comes to durability, these cups are built to last. Whether you're using them indoors or outdoors, they're strong enough to handle a variety of beverages, and the sturdy plastic ensures that they won't crack or break easily. Whether you're hosting a casual backyard barbecue or a tailgating event, these cups are up to the task. So, if you're in need of a reliable, reusable, and stylish cup for your next event, the Rolling Sands 16 ounces reusable plastic stadium cups are the way to go. With their value-packed 50-count, dishwasher-safe design, and customizable surface, they're sure to meet all your needs. Check them out on Amazon and get ready to elevate your party game with these awesome cups. That wraps up today's review of the Rolling Sands Stadium Cups. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.